Welcome to my tutorial on how to make a dragon puppet. First you're gonna need some paper. Now you're going to make sure that you cut the paper. Now, since I'm bad at making dragon puppets, we're just gonna do a little blop, boom, bam. Cut. See, there's no mouth. Kind of. Next up, you want to put McFluffers in here. Missing McFluffers. What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Get in there. There we go. Mr. Scissors, I don't need you no more. Now, get a pen and do whatever you want with it. What? Bam, boom, a lot, ka, zap!